I'm back at Cap D'Agde, if you are pronouncing it properly, and I'm here to talk to you about what you can experience whilst you're on site. And I'm going to show you around my apartment because this apartment is a sexy, awesome apartment, and I cannot wait to show you everything this apartment has to offer. If you are thinking about coming to Cap D'Agde, it can be quite confusing. Where do you stay? How do you book? What do you do when you're here? Particularly if you are in the swingers lifestyle and you want to actually meet people and make some amazing connections whilst you're on site. So the village itself, if you are in the swingers lifestyle, there are a number of different clubs where you can visit when you're here in the village. There are nightclubs, daytime clubs, saunas. I'll put a list on the screen to show you guys what you can expect if you're someone like me in the swingers lifestyle and you're looking to make awesome, sexy connections with new friends. If you've never been to Cap D'Agde before, you're probably wondering, where should I stay? What area should I stay in? It is a city after all. It's not a self-contained lifestyle or swingers resort that a lot of people may have experienced in the past. A lot of the questions I get is, where do I actually stay? This apartment's based in Heliopolis, which in my opinion is one of the most centrally located districts of Cap D'Agde. I'm only 150 meters away from both the beach and La Glamour Beach Club with the foam party, and I'm 100 meters away from naked shopping at the spa and access to many restaurants. In my opinion, I love Heliopolis, but I'll put it up on the screen. You can check it out. There are 6 districts of Cap D'Agde, but see which one works for you. Like many of the apartments in Cap D'Agde studios, they have their own dedicated kitchenette, full-size fridge, microwave, a coffee machine, everything that you basically need to create snacks here or have a little petit déjeuner, have some breakfast before you head out for the day and enjoy the village life. We're only 100 meters away from the spa where, again, you can shop completely naked, and that way you can bring everything back here and make some little items, little snackies for the new people that you may have met in the village that day, pop some champagne and impress them with some of your culinary skills. So this apartment, the secret room apartment, has been newly renovated. It's located in Heliopolis, as I said before. It's on the ground level. As you can see, the amenities are beautiful. The decor is beautiful. It's been really well decorated by Cap D'Agde Studios. If you're curious how many nights you should stay in the village and you haven't been here before, I highly recommend a minimum of 4. 3 just never seems enough, and you get people experiencing the foam party or places around the village. There's so much to see and do. Beach days where you can relax or take a stand-up paddle boarding out, places where you can go and people watch, clubs that you can visit, parties that you can visit. So personally, I recommend no shorter visits than at least a minimum of 4 days. If you can do more days in the village, I recommend it. All right, everybody, the moment that you've been waiting for and the entire reason that this apartment is called the secret room. You have your own private, dedicated play space in the back half of your apartment, away from the noise and the hustle and bustle of the village. If you've met somebody new at the village today and you want to bring them back for a little bit of sensual, intimate time, this is the space that you can do it in. As you can see around me, there's pieces of furniture that you can use, a number of accoutrements on the wall behind me, and a lovely cross and holes in the back area here that you can also use. But as usual, you want to create that really sexy environment for you and your new friends, so you can play with the colors in this room and really create something special. So some fun facts about Cap D'Agde. In peak season in July and August, it's estimated that 40,000 people visit the Naturist Village every single day. And again, not everybody is a naturist, not everybody is in the lifestyle or a swinger. And so some people often ask me, well, how do you actually meet people if you are like myself and you're in the swingers lifestyle? You could, of course, go to parties like La Glamour Foam Party is a good one to meet people, Babylon pool parties, which happen Wednesday and Friday during peak season. You can join dating apps and meet people before you even set foot in Cap D'Agde. Or, of course, you can just go people watch at many of the bars and restaurants here in Cap D'Agde, have a nice glass of wine and see where the day takes you. So everybody, that is the secret room apartment. That's everything from me for now. Again, if you are interested in finding out more information about Cap D'Agde, particularly if you're in the swingers lifestyle, head over to my website. I do have a guide there, which can be quite helpful for new people coming to the city. It is an amazing place to visit and truly a lifestyle mecca. If you're someone who likes to be naked in the sun, or you're in the swingers lifestyle like I am, I highly recommend visiting Cap D'Agde at least once in your lifetime, but I will warn you, you're probably going to get addicted. Otherwise, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching my video and my apartment tour. I'm going to go get naked and hang out in the sun and make some new friends. So I'll see you guys on the next update. Chat to you soon.